world of artificial intelligence. Prepared to be amazed and perhaps just a bit worried as we embark on a journey exploring the incredible impact AI has on our society. Picture this. You wake up in the morning to the gentle hum of your smart assistant who eagerly greets you and asks about your plans for the day. You pause for a moment, pondering the wonders of this futuristic world we find ourselves in. How did we get there? How did artificial intelligence become such an integral part of our society? Well, my friends, that's what we are here to discover together. Today, we will delve into the world of technology, peeling back the layers of, to reveal both its trumps and its tribulations. From the mind bending advancements in robotics to the mind reading capabilities of neural networks, we will witness how AI has seamlessly woven itself into the very fabric of our existence. But hold on tight, for this presentation is no ordinary lecture. My friends, we are going to embark on an interactive adventure. So get ready to participate, to question, and to challenge your own perceptions of AI. We will explore the realm of ethics where we must ponder the morals of posed by self driving cars and intelligent algorithms that shape our life. So, are you ready? Then let's start. Imagine stepping into a world where machines have a dash of superhero intelligence. That's what AI is. AI is like having a brainy sidekick who can learn, think, and, and amaze us with their smartness. So let's have some fun with this. Take a moment to think of your own AI sidekick, a digital companion with a witty personality. Got it? Remember, imagination is endless. But if we say it a bit more formal way, it is like AI helps computers understand, reason, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for every little thing. It's like giving them a brain and superpower to tackle complex tasks and make our life easier. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is the secret sauce what makes technology really clever. Now we're going to talk about the significance and relevance of AI. A world where machines not only understand us but also think, learn, and adapt like humans. That's the remarkable significance of artificial intelligence, or also known as AI, in our lives. AI is like having a wizard like companion who can analyze vast amount of data, make predictions, and assist us in solving complex problems. But let's not forget, we are all in this together. Whether it's organizing your schedule or even predicting the best pizza toppings for you. Let's get those creativity gears turning. After all, the relevance of AI lies in its ability to transform our world, making it smarter, more efficient, and just a bit magical. So let's embrace the AI revolution and imagine the endless possibility it brings. AI is helps us find the perfect movie recommendation, win games against clever computers, and even chat with the helpful virtual assistants. It's like having a super smart friend who knows just what we need. AI also help doctors diagnose diseases faster, powers self-driving cars, and makes our cities smarter. It's revolutionizing industries and making our world more exciting, efficient, and well supercharged. Now we're going to talk about the origin of AI. So let me tell you a story. Imagine going back in time to the unravel the origins of AI, where curiosity and innovation called it that in a blaze of genius. AI's birth can be traced to a brilliant minds who dare to dream of intelligent machines. So here's a playful challenge for you. I wanted to come up with a wild and whimsical story about how AI came to be. Think outside the box and let your imagination run wild. Will it involve a mad scientist or a mischievous robot or a spherical discovery? Share your fantastic tales and let me say the real story for you. So let's journey through the time begins. Once upon a time, clever folks dream of creating machines that could think like humans. The adventure begins in 1950s when scientists and programmers started tinkering with early AI ideas. They taught computers to do simple tasks like playing tic tac toe and solving math problems. It was like teaching a baby AI how to crawl. As time passed, AI grew stronger and smarter. In the 1980s, expert systems emerged, giving computers the ability to make decisions based on rules and logics. It was like giving AI a fancy brain with super smart algorithms. Then came the 90s, and AI took a wild turn. Machine learning entered, and the scenes allowed AI to learn from data and improve itself over time. It was like AI suddenly got a growth spurt and become a brilliant student, absorbing knowledge on its own. Fast forward today, and AI is a rock star. Deep learning, a fancy name for advanced neural networks, helps AI recognize patterns, images, and even speech. It's like giving AI superhero sense, making it the champion of tasks like image recognition, language translation, and more. But the adventure is far from over. Scientists and innovators are pushing the boundaries of AI every day. They're exploring new frontiers like robotics, natural language processing, and even quantum AI. The future looks bright and with AI poised to become a faithful companion in tackling big challenges and making a world more amazing place. Now, we are going to discuss something thrilling first up. First up, let's hop on the AI school bus and venture into the educational field. Imagine having a visual tutor who adapts to your unique learning skills, making studies a playful adventure. How wonderful would it be? Education will be more specific and advanced, helping students to reach high positions with the help of AI, of course. Now let's buckle up and speed into the transportation field. AI is like a futuristic co-pilot guiding us on the road to smarter mobility. So let's play a game. Think of think of one way AI could revolutionize transportation and turn a dull commute into an exciting journey. Is it self-driving cars that makes road trips a breeze of AI-powered traffic management system that magically eliminate congestion? Or these all may cost a fortune for now. Let's imagine a world where getting from A to B is like an adventure itself. In transportation, the amount of accidents and road problems will most probably vanish completely with the help of AI. Lastly, let's explore how AI lends a helping hand in the support field. Picture having an AI powered friend who understands your needs and provides personalized assistance. An AI friend which organize your schedule, manage your finance, or even providing emotional support. AI from the near future will be helping us navigate life's twists and turns with a playful and supportive spirit. I can't wait to get there. Now, let me say some of the main AIs in our world right now. First of all, there is voice assistant. We see voice assistant everywhere, like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. Voice assistants help us through most things. Then we have face recognition. It it is available in every most of phones, laptops, tabs, and most things available right now. Even indoors, face recognition are available, which recognize our face and lets us through the details we need. Then automatic vehicles. It is already coming up, and maybe in the near future, most of all the vehicles will be automatic and self-driving. Then we have chatbots like ChatGPT and all, which chats with us and tell what we need. Now we are going to talk something else. How AI improves efficiency. Let's dive into a thought provoking discussion about the concerns we should keep in mind when using AI. AI has boosted efficiency by automatic repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more complex works. It enhances our productivity through faster data analysis, discussion making, and optimized workflow. AI's algorithms also contribute to higher accuracy and reduce human errors. So, if we talk about it more straight way, it's that AI is way more efficient than humans. Now, when we use AI, we can't use it by closing our eyes. We need to have some concerns with AI. So, let me say what are they. First of all, we need to let's dive into a thought-provoking discussion about the concerns we should keep in mind when using AI. As we harness the power of incredible technology, it's cruel to navigate with caution and responsibility. When using AI, we need to have great navigation with caution and responsibility because it's not a safe thing we are using. There are many types of concerns we need to take. I will say some of the mains. Privacy predicaments. AI raises privacy concerns as it collects and analyzes vast amount of personal data. When we are using AI with starting to our name to most of our information, the AI may know. So it's very important to take care of our privacy things, or in the near future, maybe something bad would happen. It's like having a curious friend who knows everything about you but promises to keep your secret safe. I don't know if it would last forever. Maybe our personal information may leak out. Remember, transparency and consist are key. Next, we have bias busters. Algorithms can initially inherit the biases from the data they trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. It's like having a mischievous AI that accidentally plays favorites. We need to ensure diversity, fairness, and continuous monitoring to keep our AI files unbiased. Then we have job jitters. AI's automatic capability can lead to fear of job displacement. It's like having a robotic colleague who excels at repetitive tasks but might leave some humans wondering, what's my role now? Unskilling, reskilling, and embracing new opportunities can help us thrive in an AI powered world and accountability advantages. That's it. As AI become more autonomous, determining accountability can be tricky. It's like having a mischief AI buddy that occasionally make mistakes. We need to clear guidelines and regulations to ensure accountability and transparency in the data. Then we have security snacks. AI's growing sophistication brings concerns about potential vulnerability. It's like having a playful AI that can sometimes be tricked by clever hackers. So when you're giving your personal information to AI, think of the clever hackers who may take them for themselves. Strengthening cybersecurity measures is crucial to protect our AI companions and the system they operate within. Ethical decision making. AI may face ethical di- dilemma, dilemmas such as autonomous vehicles having to make split second life or death decisions. It's like having an AI driver torn between protecting its passenger or pedestriating them. Developing ethical frameworks and involving diverse perspectives on guide AI's moral compass. Addressing these ethical dilemmas is essential for ensuring AI's responsible and beneficial integration into our lives. Which means when we are driving through an automatical vehicle, imagine that you're driving on an automatic vehicle and the AI is driving you. But sometimes when other cars come, the AI has to take a split second life or death decision. This may lead to a positive version or sometimes can lead to a negative of it. Uh, by balancing innovation, fairness, privacy, and human values, we can create a beautiful AI landscape that enhances our world while keeping our values intact. If we are using AI with following the concerns, you can use AI as however we want and without thinking of any fears. Now we need to think, imagine six different professions in your mind. Now let them these. Mechanic engineer, robotic engineer, AI research scientist, AI ethics consultant, AI product manager, data scientist. I just imagine six of them. Now we are going to talk about how these jobs and AI mix up to create a bit more easier version or a harder version. First, we have a mechanic engineer. How would a mechanic engineer change in the near future? All the mechanism done by the engineer, done by cool futuristic robots with their imagination, can think a lot of face mechanic engineer field will be assisted by AI, most probably amount only will be AI, and most part will be done by human beings. So if you're planning to have, don't try so hard in doing all the works. Most will be done by AI. So what I meant was, and mechanic engineer will nowadays a mechanic engineer is doing all the works like doing mechanism and all, but in the near future robots will be doing half of the jobs or AI will be doing most of it, and only some assistance and guidelines only will be needed by a mechanic engineer. So comparing to nowadays mechanic engineer, in the future being a mechanic engineer will be very easy. Next we have robotic engineer. Obviously, robots are created by humans and they won't be able to create themselves. Maybe they could. I'm not aware of that, which is going to happen in the future. But I know is that most probably robotic engineer will be only assisted a little bit, but AI by AI, but mostly done so. If I want, if So what I meant is that a robotic engineer uh, creates robots and AI. So if you're and as far as I know, robots won't be able to create themselves completely. So robotic engineers may continue like this in the near future too. There are a lot small jobs which can have some changes because of AI or and which cannot. Next in line is AI researchers. So guys, so they only research more about AI and make new advanced features of them. So they are not they won't be having any little bit help from AI. That's what I'm thinking. Then we have ethics consultant, AI product manager, data scientist. Most of the jobs will be only assisted by AI, but mostly done by themselves. These are the ones I listed out, but there will be more of them. So we have come to an end, mostly to an end. So I'm going to say the conclusion for it. AI is like a playful force that is reshaping our world in exciting and transformative ways, from enhancing industry to revolutionizing job markets. AI is both a powerful ally and a catalyst for change. While it presents ethical dilemmas and concerns such as privacy bias and job placement, we have the opportunity to address these challenges and ensure responsible AI integration. By embracing lifelong learning, adapting our sets, and fostering the collaboration between humans and AI, we can we can navigate the evolving landscape and create a future where AI empowers us to reach new heights where preserving our values and social economic balance. So let's embark on this playful journey together, unlocking the potential AI shaping our world, where humans and intelligent machine work together to make a better world. These are some of the photos I gathered up from online websites and all, which represent how AI works right now and maybe in the future it works. So one thing I want to say is that, and that's all about this whole presentation. I know it's not the best, but I have tried, and I think that's what matters, right? And now, if any questions you can ask anyone.
Yes, that was a very good presentation, very informative. Okay, Hadiya, very well done. And can I have your cameras turned on, please? Everyone? Yes.
And now it's a time for questions.
Yes.
So I need everyone to ask the two questions. Everyone to ask two questions.
Please turn on your camera and ask the question.
And if you are not asking the question, that means you are going to get less points. Because yesterday itself I mentioned you that there should be some marks for asking questions.
Ma'am,
So it's a
after
time.
question, I have a little conclusion also.
Okay.
Okay.
So please ask questions.
So who is going to ask the first question? I mean, you can also ask, okay?
What does AI mean for humans in the future?
I mentioned it in most of the areas that AI is in maybe in the future. We can't predict the future, right? But if, according to the studies and all, right now AI is like a human companion. And if we see in futuristic movies and all, it's like having AI is doing most of the work for you, and you will be a lazy.
All right, Hadiya. So, Hasi, did you get the answer? Yes. So, yes, Muhdiya Zada Abbas. And is it Amna? Please ask your questions.
Abel is the only absent, right? He's
Yes.
only absent. Rest
Abel
of
and
the
Tanmaya,
Tanmay also.
Tanmay also.
Yes.
Is it Abel is taking the assessment today or
Yes,
tomorrow?
taking today at 11, I think, after Hazik. Let's see if he's joining. Please ask your questions. Yes, Muhdiya.
anyone?
Zada? Yes, Amna. Amna,
Can
are you asking?
can you tell the jobs that you told in future the robotics robot will take the job one more time?
Yeah, okay. Actually, I'm not sure they will take, but according to most of the online apps and all, it's saying like that. I mentioned six of them. They are mechanic engineer. I said that most of the job will be done by robots and all. It won't be replaced by robots. Then I said robotic engineer. I said that it won't, most probably won't be replaced at all. Then I said AI research scientist. These are like, these guys just find more features in AI, so these also won't be replaced. I said. Then AI ethics consultant, AI product manager, data scientist. These are the one I mentioned.
Yeah. All right, Hadiya. So, Abis, Amna, is that all? Do you have another question? Amna, do you have any other question? Okay, Abis, you can ask.
Can you say some AI tools that we use in daily use that can help in our daily use?
Yeah, I mentioned that also in one of the slides. In that, or as I understand, I say about voice assistants. We use Google Assistant, Siri, and all every day. Then I said face recognize. It's also an AI tool. Most of our phones and all may have that fingerprint and a face recognize both. Then automatic vehicles like Tesla and some of the cars are having that now, but maybe in the near future, most of the cars may have that. Then we have chat box like Chat GPT and all. That are the ones I said. Then there are some of the AI tools we use to make some things in online and all.
Yeah. All right. So, yes. Is it Amin? Yes, Amin.
Like it's my thought. I'm not sure what is going to happen, but as far as I think it's um, I'm not saying that it would be completely replaced because it need a guidance by humans, but most job will be done by robots because carrying heavy things and doing mechanics will be done. I wasn't aware of that. Thank you for that. Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. Thank you for the information. Just research about what I had to say to you, but I didn't think of it like that.
All right. So, Mohdaya, your question, please, and Zada also.
Okay, so what are the programming languages used for AI?
Um, there are many programming languages for making AI and making stuff uh, like that. Like um, as we learned a lot, we learned HTML, right? That is a programming language. There is Python, there is Java, there are C++. These all are the called language. Anyone else has a question?
Muhdia,
I
yes.
don't have it.
Some question you can ask. Or Hadiya, you can also ask others if
Yeah,
you have any.
I don't have.
So what do you think, Muhdia? Will this AI cause unemployment in the future? What do you think about that in the future? Now itself, people have been suffering, right? Because of, yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm thinking that if maybe unemployment may be a reason in the future. So if that is the case, most people will be doing like business and all, because that is the some of the ways they could um, get a job instead of using AI. So that's what I think.
All
Yeah,
right.
but
Yes. So Muhdia,
AI
Abbas, yeah.
also, but
But
AI
I
also
didn't,
can do the.
I didn't hear. It
AI
wasn't
can
clear.
also.
But AI can also do the business, no? What about?
Yeah, I'm not saying that it can't, but people may move to a field like that because if business is their own idea and they can do it. But if it's like a company, they're joining in a company, the bosses, the people owning the company can replace them and add AI. But when you're doing a business, you won't be replaced. Like it's your idea and it's your thing, right? That's right.
Yeah, but
Yeah. No, I meant like if a man is creating a business and he will maybe replace all his employees with uh, robots and all, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like how the businessman or the company created it. I am not starting a business. I don't know what kind of business and all it is. So it depends on what business or how they make it, right?
for any business, they need to sell or they need to advertise. So what about that?
Yeah, it can also be done by humans, right? It's not humans may take assistance by AI. If we take assistance by AI with the with the knowledge of AI and humans, they can make cool better stuff, maybe, right?
Yes. Any
Ma'am,
more
can I
discussion?
conclude?
Yes, yes, Hadiya.
Okay. Um, And my friends, dear friends, as we come to an end of our AI adventure, let's make a moment to reflect on the remarkable impact that this technology has on the society, from revolutionizing industries to enhancing our daily lives. AI has truly become a catalyst for change. But the journey doesn't end here. It's up to each and every one of us to shape the future of AI responsibly and ethically. So I challenge you to embrace curiosity and continue exploring the possibilities that AI brings. Engage in meaningful conversations, stay informed about its advancement, and advocate for inclusive and transparent AI system. Thank you for joining me on this playful and enlightening AI adventure. Let's keep the spirit of exploration alive as we embark on future journeys where humans and AI work hand in hand to